guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today we are going to plant these lavender scallops from Kalanchoe family. So Kalanchoe, or some people call it Kalanchoe, uh, they have many varieties. So this one has these gray greenish leaves. Like any other succulents, they have very thick leaves, and they like full sun, very little water, drought tolerant. And in spring and summer, they get pink or orange flowers in it. So this was cut a couple of days ago, so the callus has formed at the end. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to remove some leaves from the bottom and just going to plant it. And in this planter, I've just make sure that the planter has good drainage at the bottom, and then the soil should be sandy so that the water doesn't stay in it. It should be well drained. So just dig a hole big enough so that it can hold this plant, and just put the soil around it and press it gently so that it sticks there, and keep it in sunlight. So I'll suggest, though they like bright sunlight, I would say that morning sun, 3-4 hours of sun is great for these plants. So I have already done this. I keep mixing and matching different plants. So this is Kalanchoe, this is aeonium, the dark aeonium, and here is the miniature miniature pine tree. So all of them, they like lot of sun. So I planted all of them together, and they look really nice, and I put it on my southern windowsill, so they get a lot of sunlight during the daytime, and they keep growing nicely there. So this one I'm just growing by itself, and it creates, I'm going to just put a little bit more soil in it. And these leaves, some of these leaves in Kalanchoe family, actually they grow small plantlets from the edges of the leaves. So might as well put the leaves in there. If they grow the plants, that's good. If they don't, they'll be composted in there. And so I'm going to keep it in shaded area for a week or so. I'll water it a little bit right now. Normally it doesn't need too much of water, but right now it's just a cutting, so probably a little more care is required. And then after a week, I'll just move it to an area where it gets morning sunlight, and it will be fine from there, and I'll give you an update in a couple of weeks. So it's been about 6 weeks that we planted this, and if you look at this, there is new growth, on top of this stem, and it is standing pretty strong. And the most interesting thing is, the leaves that we had put in on the side, hoping that new plantlets will grow from it, and that's what happened. So beautiful. I just simply love this plant, which grows the plantlets on the side of the leaves. So beautiful. And hopefully in springtime or summertime, we'll have flowers in it. It bears orange flowers, so we'll enjoy that. And in the meantime, I also have some more plants because of these plantlets. So the plant has grown more in one more month, and I can see that there are a lot of flower buds on the top. So another 1 month has passed, and our lavender scallops have started to bloom. You can see some of the flowers opening up here. I'll try to show it to you from the bottom. and the plantlets at the bottom, they are also growing happily. They're growing pretty big, and I see another leaf at the bottom which is growing plantlets, so that's good. And all these green leaves, greenish leaves, they are all fresh. So there's a lot of growth in this cutting in the last 4 months. So basically, lavender scallops is from Kalanchoe family, and anything in Kalanchoe family is really easy to grow. All you have to do is get a cutting or a plantlet and just stick them in the soil, and they'll grow happily. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.